Each child is unique in their own way. Each one is a miracle, a blessing, and a star. The light they ignite can be seen from afar. So today, let us celebrate our wonderful treasures, whom we love unconditionally, always and forever. Children carry the hopes of our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. May the innocence in their smiles and the purity of their hearts stay forever unfaded. The most precious thing in this world is a smile on the face of a child. Happy Children's Day to every child.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country.
The best way to stay updated about the world is news reading. So let's get today's news updates. Here is Dedimis with latest news headlines.
Good morning. Today's news. India set to take over G20 presidency in Bali as PM Modi balances global powers. US supports India G20 presidency. Mumbai Airport Customs seized 61 kg gold worth Rs 32 crore in a day. Government will spread awareness among students against body shaming. Landslide at 2 places in Munnar, 1 man is missing. Students should practice write faster, clearer for board exams. Pune teachers. Sports. ICC 2020 World Cup final. England beat Pakistan by 5 wickets. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Dedimus. As we all know, today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru. This day is a tribute to the great soul who loves children and who believe that the children of today are the future of tomorrow. So here is Saridamas to speak about Children's Day.
Good morning, children. Good morning, all my dear teachers and chichis. Children, we all look so beautiful today in colored dress. Why do you wear colored dress? Children's Day. What is the importance of Children's Day? It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was Jawaharlal Nehru? The first Prime Minister of our India, right? Oh, as you all know, children, November 14th every year we celebrate as Children's Day in honor of the first birth anniversary of our Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Are you ready?